I'm out here with the FW200. Starting her up. She just hit GPS, so let's see how she does. Up she goes. Not bad. Looking good. Not bad. A little wind. She just has the regular Flywing battery, another 1500. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. I haven't flown this for a while, so I'm a little rusty. Yeah, it seems to be doing alright. I fly this thing like a quad. But yeah, the wind's starting to pick up right now. But yeah, it's flying pretty well. Take some nice turns. You can see how close I am. I'm right next to this thing. Alright, let me show you where I fly from, because I always make sure I'm in a safe position, you know. You don't want to be flying so something can get you. But I have a whole porch there. I don't know if you can see it. Might not be bright enough. I'm working on the kitchen. But yeah, always fly safe. Make sure you're not going to get to be the target if something goes wrong. But yeah, I'm flying well tonight. I'm going to have to fly this during the day and get from being rusty. One of my favorite. I've had quite a few helicopters, but I like this one the best. I love to mess with it. Great copter. Can you get hurt? Absolutely. Give this to a child? No. Look at that. Oh, she's so low to the ground. I did turn up the head speed, so that might be it too. And that little shake. But I like to fly a little faster. I don't know if you haven't used the app. I want to take a look at the app. There's all kinds of adjustments you can make on this thing to fly the way you like it. I still got more tweaking. But yeah, that's cool. In fact, you can see, when I tilt it, you can see that yellow. I wonder if I painted them fluorescent. It would be cooler looking. How do I try that? Because right now I'm seeing like a slight gray. But yeah, that's cool. Nice little copter. Little expensive, let me tell you guys. They're not cheap. But the parts are cheap. Let me tell you. I've built this whole thing without the module, rebuilt it. Now the module puts the GPS and all that good stuff, your left, right, you know, the circuit board. It's $40. I mean, I put a tail in, canopy, all kinds of stuff. I think blades are $11. The shear nuts are $6. I think the main blade cost me $8. Feather blade cost me about $6. I mean, I've done a lot. Rotor holders now, I don't buy theirs. The screws strip out and you're wasting your money. If you fly as much as I do, they're going to strip out. So I drilled mine out. That's what I did. But yeah, it's a nice little copter. Unbelievable. I have a blade 330. That's 3 times the size of this thing. And I will not fly it in this backyard. It's just too big. Thing makes this look like a toy, that blade I have. In fact, I'm trying to sell it. Oh, look at the bugs coming around. But anyway, that's a nice flight. I have to go in for dinner. Just flying around. Gotta love it. Alright, down she goes. Hey, you guys have a good night.